Want to boost your iPhone's speaker volume when it feels too low? First, open Settings and tap Accessibility, then choose Touch. Scroll down to Call Audio Routing and select Automatic so sound always comes through your iPhone's own speakers. Go back, tap Hearing Devices and turn off hearing aid compatibility unless you're using a hearing aid. Next, open Settings and tap Sounds and Haptics, then tap Headphone Safety. Switch off Reduce Loud Sounds or raise the limit to about 90 decibels so your speakers aren't capped. Flip the silent/ring switch on the side toward you. Press the volume buttons to max out the ringer level, then swipe down from the top right to open Control Center and drag the media volume slider all the way up. Remove your case and screen protector, then gently clean out the bottom and top speaker grills with a soft brush or toothpick to clear any debris. Finally, restart your iPhone by holding the side button with either volume button until the power off slider appears. Slide to power off and then press the side button to turn it back on. If this helped you, tap like, share your favorite tip in the comments, and subscribe for more quick tutorials.